The Spigen Rugged Armor Case for the Pixel 5. So I've been using my Pixel 5 for a while now without a case, and I love it, but I need some protection. This case here was a top rated case on Amazon, so I'm going to unbox it for you and give you a visual review of the product. The box is pretty nice. It has this handy tab here which you can pull out, and the case is just wrapped in this frosted clear bag. It's made out of a flexible TPU, which makes it easy to fit on your phone. My first thoughts on the aesthetics of the case is I actually didn't like the pattern on the top and the bottom, those debossed areas that have a carbon fibre pattern in them. But as I have the product in real life, it actually looks a lot nicer than it does in the photos. So it feels pretty sturdy, and the case does feel a bit slippery. This is a slip test. About 45 degrees it slides off. And this is an example of a case with a bit more grip. So I'm going to give this a wipe and put it in the case. Power button in first. It fits in pretty well. And overall is a really nice fit. It fits quite snug. With the phone in, I think it actually looks quite nice. 100% looks better than it does in the pictures. So trying out the fingerprint, there's a nice slope around the fingerprint scanner which makes it easy to find, and it fits quite comfortably in. Playing around with the navigation gestures here, I keep clipping my finger on the bottom lip when trying to swipe up. And swiping from the side as well, I keep catching my finger on the lip. This is quite frustrating. I think the lip seems a bit too big. It's coming around the phone and hugging over onto the screen. It makes it difficult to swipe your finger across because the lip sticks out so much. Maybe this is something I'll learn to live with. But I kind of feel like it's ruining the navigation experience. It's probably perfectly fine if you have the 3 buttons on the bottom and just use those. Overall, the case is really well made. It fits perfectly. Everything about it feels sturdy, it feels good. I feel like I can drop it and it would be safe. The only thing I'd say about it is the lip is a bit too big for me personally. But if you're not too bothered about that, I think you'll love this case. Wireless charging test. It works. There we go. So this is my review on the Spigen Rugged Armor Case for the Pixel 5. There's not much else I can say. It's just a case for a phone. Feels good in the hand, doesn't add too much weight, and is quite comfortable to hold. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.